Hi, to all AI tools lovers, I hope that you are fine. It is hard to believe, but I am not real. I made by Syed Abulfazl, the owner of ECTZONE, using AI tools. And in this video, he will show you how to make avatar like me. Let's go!
The very first thing you need to do is to go to Google and then type in this part, Heijin or maybe Heijin.com, and now hit enter. And after that, you should just click on this link, Heijin AI speaker person, create video. And this is the preface of the site that you want to make your own avatar there. Create AI videos in 3 easy steps. This is really easy. The first step is pick your own avatar. Maybe the second one is put your script there. The third one is submit to generate videos. This is the 3 easy steps that you can make your own avatar. And in this part, you can sign into this website by your own account. And I click on try Heijin for free. I already have an account, so I'm clicking confirm because I have signed into this one. And this is the site. Click on create video. You can create a video in landscape or maybe portrait, whatever you like. Pick your avatar from this part, avatar. There you see a lot of avatars there. And there is many texts that you can use from this text, and also from elements. There is a lot of elements that you may need them in your presentation, like forms, like stickers, icons, images, videos, or anything, shapes, music. And you can put a music. The templates you have there, templates are about the advertisement, the e-commerce, breaking news, learning and development, explainer video, social medias, business, health, festivals, and others. You can use your own template there and also your own avatar. So I'm choosing from advertisement, so this one. Double click in this one, it will appear to this part. Pick your own avatar, the picture that you like. So I'm choosing this too, trying these things, these people. So I'll choose this man. And now in here you should put your own script, whatever you like, you can type there. And from this part, you can make your speak a little bit fast or maybe slow, pitch of your voice. And also Heijin will let you to use your own language like English, Spanish, Turkish, Chinese, Portuguese. Also the voice of the speaker, male or maybe female or both maybe. The filter, young people, children or anything. Choose your own one. And this is it. You can just see the preview one, that how I made this video, is it good or not, or maybe you can bring any changes, and at the end click on if you click on submit, you will have your own video after some minutes. And this was it, how to just create your own avatar using AI tools. And I want you guys to subscribe for more videos about the AI tools. Till the next one, have a good one.